Tag, grüezi miteinander. Hello, my name is Eve, and on my channel I discuss how to teach your child German when you are not a native German speaker. Today's topic is activities you can do with your child to learn German. So the first thing you could do is make a puzzle with your child. So my boys did this activity with their German tutor last week, and for my 7-year-old, she helped him make simple sentences such as the ostrich has feathers, the elephant has big ears, the giraffe has a long neck. What color is the rhino? How many giraffes do you see? How many trees? How many birds are flying in the sky? My 9-year-old made sentences like this. The hippo is standing between the zebra and the warthog. The lion is behind the warthog. The birds are flying in the sky. The ostrich is beside the rhino. The bird is standing on one leg. The lion looks happy. For this puzzle, my 7-year-old was asked questions like, where's the frog? And then he said, the frog is on the leaf. How many butterflies are there? The sky is blue. And then my 9-year-old, he talked about placement, like the toucan is above the sloth. The toucan is between the sloth and the monkey. The toucan is below the brown monkey. The red bird is standing on one leg. On the right side of a tree is a parrot. So another activity you can do is a poster board activity. Now this does not have to be Pinterest or Instagram perfect. I just used the other side of a poster board that I already used so I could reduce, reuse, recycle. So I printed off a bunch of animal pictures like desert animals, farm animals, jungle animals, Antarctic animals, and animals that are at the spa because it's really funny. The animals with the cucumbers on their eyes, and it's just really cute, and it will make your child laugh. It will make it fun for them. And then he can categorize where the animals go with his German tutor, and then they can make simple sentences with the animals. So I got catalogs in the mail, so I cut up a bunch of pictures and I made another poster board with different rooms of a house, like the kitchen, the bathroom, the living room. And then the German tutor would help my children place where everything belongs and make simple sentences, like the toilet is in the bathroom. And then with my older son, he would say something along the lines of the table is between the chair and the sofa. So for their first activity, they were sitting on the floor doing the puzzle, and then they had to get up and go to the table. So try to incorporate movement and different places for them to learn German, and that helps with their attention span. So another activity you can do is go to your local library and get books about German-speaking countries, such as the ones I got here: Switzerland, Germany, Luxembourg. And you can read a little section to your child every single day while they are eating a snack before bedtime, for instance, or part of their bedtime story. You can read them one page every day. And then you can do activities, or you can do recipes that are in the books. So I got this Germany book from the local library, and in the back of the book it had activities on how to make a St. Martin's Day lantern. Then in the Culture of the World books, they had recipes. For instance, in the Swiss book, they had the Äpfel Makronen, Swiss mac and cheese. And in the book of Austria, they had Vienna crescent cookies. So that's all I have today. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Dankeschön. Tschüss.